Today we will solve the question based on algebraic identities. These are the questions. First question is if a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equals to 0, then prove that a equals to b equals to c. Second question is if a plus b plus c equals to 8 and ab plus bc plus ca equals to 20, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Third question, it's related to prove that. And fourth question, that is related to factorization. And fifth question, again prove that. So apply the suitable identities which you have learned and try to solve this question. Okay. Okay. Just I am going to solve first question. Question is, it is given that this is 0, then prove that a b equals to c. So given data, I am going to write a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equals to 0. What I am doing? I have to prove a equals to b equals to c. Means first we will convert it into a square b square a plus b or a minus b whole square. So in case of a minus b whole square, 2ab will be there. So for 2ab, 2bc, 2ca, what I will do, I will just multiply it with 2. So multiply both sides with 2. So this becomes 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca equals to 0, because 0 into 2, 0. Okay, now this can be written as this is a 2ab. So a square plus a square, b square plus b square, c square plus c square, because 2a square can be written as a square plus a square. Similarly, 2b square can be written as b square plus b square. Okay, so now we can write that minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca equals to 0. Now this is a 2ab, so write a square plus b square, this a square b square minus 2ab in 1. Now this is 2bc, so write 1b b square plus 1c square minus 2bc. Now 2ca, write 1a square plus 1c square minus 2ca equals to 0. Can be written like this. मैंने इसी टर्म को अलग अलग लिख दिया. Now we can write what is this, a square plus b square minus 2ab means what? A minus b whole square. Here b minus c whole square, and here a minus c or c minus a, whatever, whole square equals to 0. Now see that this is a minus b whole square, means the whole number cannot be negative. किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है. So this number is positive, this number is also positive, this number is also positive. Means these three are positive number because it has a square. So the sum of positive number has 0. 3 पॉजिटिव नंबर का सम 0 है. मतलब क्या होगा, ये तीनों नंबर 0 होंगे तभी उनका सम 0 आएगा. ओके, मीन्स वी कैन से दैट a minus b whole square equals to 0, b minus c whole square equals to 0, a minus c whole square equals to 0. Why? Because these are the sum of positive number. So from this a minus b equals to 0, from this b minus c equals to 0, from this a minus c equals to 0. So here a minus b equals to 0 means a equals to b, here b equals to c, here c equals to a. A equals to b, b equals to c, c equals to a, means these are the three equations. So from these three we can say that a equals to b and here b equals to c, means b equals to c. So a equals to b equals to c. That is the proof. That is the proof. Okay. Now what is the second question? Second question is that if a plus b plus c equals to 8 and ab plus bc plus ca equals to 20, then find the value of aq plus bq plus cq. Means, as we know that is a solution of second question. As we know that aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. This is the formula. And here a plus b plus c known and ab plus bc plus ca are known, but we don't have this value. ये वैल्यू हमको पता नहीं है. So try to find the value. Since it is given in the question a plus b plus c equals to 8, since a plus b plus c equals to 8, now squaring both sides, then we can get a square plus b square plus c square. So a plus b plus c whole square equals to 8 square. So the formula of this a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc, so 2 common, ab plus bc plus ca is equals to what? 64. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. What is the value of ab plus bc plus ca? It is given in the question for 20. So this becomes 20 equals to 64. So a square plus b square plus c square, this becomes 40 equals to 64. So a square plus b square plus c square equals to 64 minus 40. This becomes 24. So the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 24. Now we can put this value here. We can put this value here. Okay. So hence a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to this a plus b plus c is what? 8 into a square plus b square plus c square is what? 24. And if we take minus common here, minus, then it becomes AB plus BC plus CA, and what value of AB plus BC plus CA is what? 20. This becomes 20. So 8 into 24 minus 20 is what? 4. So this becomes 32. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is what? Value is 32. So that is the answer. Now third question. Third question is what? X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube minus 3xyz. You have to prove this. Half x plus y plus z, x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, and z minus x whole square. Okay, so this is a whole square. So how to just prove it? This value of this is what? I know. Now I am going to solve question number 3. It is given that you have to prove this. So first I am taking left hand side. Left hand side is what? Left hand side is x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and this is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We know the formula. This formula, identity number, I think 10 or 11. Okay. So since here 1 by 2 is required, so what I will do here, just half divided by 2 and multiplied by 2. So x plus y plus z and multiply by 2. Here in all the term, just I have multiplied 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. What I have done here, मैंने 2 से डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, फिर भी इक्वेशन पे कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ. सो नाउ हाफ x प्लस y प्लस z, दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 2x स्क्वायर है ना. तो इसको अगेन सेम वे जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों ने किया था, ऐसे 2a था तो a b b c c किया था, तो वैसे ही हम यहाँ पे करेंगे. तो तीनों आ जाएगा x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस जेड होल स्क्वायर प्लस z माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर. कैसे आएगा ये? x 2x स्क्वायर है तो x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, तो 1x स्क्वायर प्लस 1y स्क्वायर और माइनस 2xy. So this becomes x minus y whole square. Okay. So in the similar manner of the first question. So in this way we have proved this. Okay. Now factorization, just मैं बता दे रहा हूँ ऐसे ही. Factorization, this can be written as 4 cube and this is a 3b cube. So 4 क्यूब 3b क्यूब और इसमें से कॉमन लेंगे. सो दिस बिकम्स 4 माइनस 3 होल क्यूब. यू कैन ब्रेक इट इनटू, जस्ट आई सॉल्व ही कर देता हूँ. ओके. क्वेश्चन इज दैट 64a क्यूब माइनस 27b क्यूब, 64a क्यूब minus 27b cube equals minus 144a square b and then plus 108 AB square. Now you can write this. You can write this 4A whole cube minus 3B whole cube. As we know that the formula of x minus y whole cube, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, ये हमको पता है. सो कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस 3 x के जगह पे क्या है 4a, y के जगह पे क्या है 3b इंटू 4a माइनस 3b. इफ़ यू टेक कॉमन, अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो इतना ही आएगा. इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस इट विल कम this. So this can be written as 4a minus 3b whole cube. So that is a factorization. Now last question is that if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then prove that a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab equals to 3. So here it is given that a plus b plus c equals to 0. As we know that since a cube plus b cube, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to 0. ये होता है. हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिटी, कौन सी आइडेंटिटी पढ़ा है, आइडेंटिटी नंबर आई थिंक 11. ओके, जस्ट सी दैट आइडेंटिटी. If a x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 0. So from this we can write that a cube plus b cube plus c cube, इसको इधर ले जाएंगे, so it will become 3abc. now ये 3abc मल्टीप्लिकेशन में इधर आके डिवाइड होगा, so a cube अपॉन 3abc, 3 को यहीं रहने दो, प्लस b cube अपॉन abc plus c cube upon abc equals to 3. Now a cube or a square, b cube b, c cube c. So this becomes a square by bc, this becomes b square by ac, this becomes c square by, sorry, here c will cut, ab will be there, ab equals to 3. So this is a proof, hence we can prove that. So now again you have just seen that without that identity you can't solve a single question related to identity. So try to remember all those identity. Okay.